What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I cover everything crypto related, all the hottest and newest potential altcoins, meme coins, you name it. We're gonna be checking them out on the channel. If they could give us some ROI, we're gonna be checking them out on the channel. If they're making noise, a lot of people are talking about them, we're checking them out on the channel. In this video, we're gonna be checking out IMT or iMove, the future of fitness. Just walk or run and earn rewards. Already listed on the Google Play and Apple App Store on PancakeSwap, guys. This recently had a move up to the upside, so the team community are putting in the work for it to have that move up in the first place. I could take a look at the chart as well to show you guys, but that means that something is being done for the move up in price. So we're gonna dive deep into it. Before we do so, always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is investment advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Now right here, reimagine your fitness and be the best version of yourself. They have a video, welcome to the future. iMove is the first inclusive fitness app for people of all abilities that lets you earn cryptocurrency while you walk and get healthy. We aim to nudge millions toward that goal. Right here we have the video. Let me make sure my audio is on point before we get into it, guys. This is a trailer video from the project.
Hi, and welcome to iMove. Your health.
Hold on 1 second, guys.
Hi, and welcome to iMove. Your health is your priority. Everybody wants to be fit and feel good in their bodies, but all of us need a little extra push. What if I told you that you could become rich while you work on your fitness? You are about to enter the future of fitness. Introducing iMove, the first ever crypto-backed fitness app for people of all abilities. Reimagining your workouts to help you become the best version of yourself.
User interface looks pretty simple. I like how simple the user interface looks for the project. That is great, so people of all ages could interact with it.
Version of yourself. This inclusive app is made for everyone, young, old, beginners, professionals, differently abled individuals, and a special first in the world mode for disabled people. No matter who you are, you can use iMove to get healthy.
Wow, that is bullish, guys. So it also is incorporated for people that are disabled as well. The team really put in some time and effort coming up with ideas for this project. I know move to earn projects haven't had a bunch of hype recently since GMT had their hype, right? Step In, for example, had their hype. But they may make a comeback, okay? They may make a comeback in the future. You just never know. And the innovative ones are the ones that's gonna shine. So this being able to have disabled people use the project as well, the platform is super bullish.
Healthy, and the minute you start walking, you also earn iMove tokens. The more you walk, the more tokens you earn, and the richer you get. A healthier and happier life is just a click away. To start getting strong physically and financially, join iMove today.
Nice stuff. Very nice video. Very nice breakdown of the project. I love when projects showcase their project in video format. We're listed on Bitmart, Play to Earn, Everrise, DigiFinex, Nomics. So they have a couple centralized exchange listings, which helps with that liquidity, which is great. iMove, I think it's iMove. iMove is the first inclusive fitness app for people of all abilities. iMove metaverse mission, motivating the world user community to exercise more and earn more passive income based on health data. That gives a reason for the users to walk more often and use less vehicles. It's that simple. Take care of your health by going outside and you'll automatically earn crypto rewards. Get strong physically and financially, both, which is something that a lot of us believe in, right? So right here you have a view of the app, and like I said, it is pretty straightforward. They have it multi-chain as well on different blockchains. Pretty nice stuff to see, guys. So you have different modes: solo mode, marathon mode, and mode for disabled people as well. Look at this, 20 plus million downloads, 1.9 million active users, 20 plus million downloads, guys. That is insane. That's absolutely insane. They have their roadmap, app improvement, AI intelligence, artificial intelligence integration, TV ads, referral programs, partnerships with professional athletes, major CEX listings also on the roadmap. So this is a legit project that we have here, man. Still think move to earn, play to earn / move to earn will make a comeback. And you know, there's always certain sectors that could have there's always certain sectors that have market share. One moment in the stock market, fitness is taking off in the stock market, and then boom, move to earn projects start exploding, just like what recently happened with AI projects, right? Everyone can use Imov 100% data privacy, anti-cheating system, and they have a KYC certificate, different partners as well, and it's on multiple blockchains as well, which is super bullish. It's on Tron, Solana, and Polygon, as well as Binance. So there's a how to buy, obviously, and then we have more images of the UI, which is pretty great stuff. Let's take a look at the Twitter, close out the video. 24K followers on Twitter. Recently on the 11th, they had a little conference to showcase the project. They won the award for best ecosystem in DeFi at Crypto 306. Okay, bullish, man. Blockchain reporter, 1.4 million strategic investment from BitGert to Imov. Is it 1.4 million or 40 million? That is bullish. The link to the article isn't pulling up properly. Let's see. People are super bullish on that, but if bigger projects are invested into Imov, that is great. So it's 1.4 million that, okay, BitGert Ventures invested 1.4 million into Imov. That's probably what's causing it to get more and more attention recently. They have new partnerships there. The team is out there, docs, you know, team members going out there and spreading the word of the project. Da Vinci and Carl the Moon. We all know Da Vinci who got in Bitcoin very early, speaking on the panel for the project. Huobi Ventures. So I'm guessing they're planning for that Huobi listing in the future if they haven't been listing there already. So yeah, super bullish stuff for the project. Let's take a look at the chart real quick as well. Just wanted to show you guys it has. So we're gonna take a look at the day chart. So you see it had its launch. You know, people took profit. Most projects launch onto the market, have this huge explosion, then they retrace back down, go into an accumulation phase, but only few projects actually start making a move to the upside. So we could see right here, it made a move to the upside, which is super bullish. 2x from the bottom, probably is going to retrace back down a bit, go into consolidation, but this move up that we see here could be bullish for the future of the project, sitting at $1.59 million in market cap, 10x 50x for the project. I would not rule that out at all. And you know, if you hold Imov, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Imov and myself will be in the description. Let me know what other projects you'd like me to check out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.